This is FreeYond M6, and today I will show how you can fix hacked system on this device. So if you suspect that the security of your phone has gotten compromised, I recommend that you begin by launching the Google Play Store, then tap at your profile picture, open the Play Protect page, and run the Play Protect scan for harmful apps. And if your phone has any harmful apps that the Google Play Store know of, it will identify them and help you to get rid of those. Then, what you might also want to do on top of this scan, you can also download and install some third-party antivirus applications such as Avast, for instance. This app allows you to run a bunch of different security-related and antivirus scans. First, let's find it. Yep, here it is. So just install this app, follow the instructions that it will show you on the screen, and well, it will help you to safeguard your phone from possible malware, as well as identify if your phone is infected with any viruses currently, and also will help you to promptly and effortlessly get rid of those viruses. What you might also want to do is to perform one small manual check. So go into the Settings app, then look for the Device Admin apps or Device Administrators. So Device Admin apps, here it is. Then open this list and see if you spot any app that has this permission that you do not remember providing it with. So let's say this app had the access before I got here, and I do not recall providing it with such permission. So what you want to do is to deactivate it right away, and then the app in question should be also uninstalled. And the way you uninstall or delete apps from this phone is by entering the apps category of settings, then open the full list of apps, find the app in question, the app that you need to uninstall, open its app info page, and tap at the uninstall option here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.